To make the chicken rice, we need pandan leaf, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, chicken stock cube, salt, cooking oil, rice that has been washed and drained, sesame oil, and water. First, we heat up the pot. I'm using a multi-cooker here. You can use your regular rice cooker. Heat oil in the pot. Add sesame oil, about a tablespoon or so. Once it's heated, you can saute the crushed garlic, the crushed lemongrass, and slices of ginger. Give it a stir until fragrant. Next, we add the chicken stock cube and the pandan leaf. Stir until the chicken stock cube is dissolved. Now we are ready to add water. If you are using your regular rice cooker, just follow the water level recommended by the cooker. Otherwise, it is about 180 ml of water for every cup of rice. Cover the pot and let the water boil. Once the water is boiling, give it a quick stir before we add rice. Add in the washed rice and mix well. Lower the heat, cover, and let it simmer. After about 5 minutes, stir in the salt. Cover and let the rice cook until all the liquid has dried up. You may want to fluff up the rice at least once before it is fully cooked. And the chicken rice is ready. Let's now prepare the chili sauce. We need sugar, juice of some limes or lemon, garlic and a few slices of ginger, some salt, fresh red chillies, and some sesame oil. First, we blend the garlic, ginger, fresh chillies with about a cup of warm water. Transfer the blended ingredients in a bowl. Squeeze the lime juice. If you want it a bit sour, you can add more. Then add sugar, salt, and sesame oil. Stir well until all the ingredients are well mixed. You can adjust the ingredients to suit your preference. Some people prefer it a bit salty, sweet, or sour, or even spicy. Next, the chicken wings. This is about 1 kilogram of chicken wings, 3 eggs, and seasoned flour. Please check the description for the ingredients in the flour. We will coat the chicken wings in the beaten eggs, and then we're gonna roll the chicken wings into the seasoned flour. Coat the chicken wings well, dust out any extras, and we will coat it again in the beaten egg. And once again, roll it in the seasoned flour. This will give the chicken wings a more crusty effect. You may prefer to just coat it once instead of twice. It is really up to individuals' preference. Continue to roll and coat the remaining pieces of chicken wings until all is done. Heat up a considerable amount of oil in a large frying pan, and we are ready to deep fry the chicken. Ensure you flip the chicken wings regularly for even browning and cooking. Remove the chicken wings once they are golden brown and drain the excess oil. and our chicken rice set is ready to be served. Enjoy your meal. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.